Been this very chilly Valentine's Day at Powers and Woodman, but the good news, you can see a gorgeous sunset out there in the distance this evening, kind of brightening that end to our weekend. Let's check in with Storm Tracker 13 meteorologist Sam Postich with a look at what's ahead. Hopefully some warmer temperatures on the way, Sam.
Well, by our midweek, Jen, we should be just fine. But tonight, not so much. It should be the coldest night of the entire year, even though we still have about 9.5 months left to go of 2021. Here's your Cheyenne Mountain camera looking out on the city. Here's your Martin Drake power plant off the distance. So if that kind of gives you a little bit of a view of the downtown area. Low-lying clouds into the distance, but the low clouds in Colorado Springs are starting to break up, and honestly, that's not good news for temperatures. That'll help us cool even further. Okay, so light snow on Highway 50, but it's not really accumulating anymore. It's possible you get another quarter-inch off in La Junta, maybe similar in Bent County, Lamar, just a dusting in your evening forecast. Lamar residents, you only got about 2 inches from the event last night, so it really didn't pile up as much as we anticipated out in Prowers County. Here are those flurries lingering in the southeastern side tonight, but Colorado Springs, low clouds this evening, hopefully keeping us slightly warmer, but it doesn't seem like that's the case right now. And then overnight tonight, early Monday morning, that's when we'll actually start to see some sunshine, which should help us get into the teens for tomorrow afternoon, which feels pretty warm considering temps are right now 8 below in the Springs, 2 degrees in Canyon City, 8 degrees off in Salida, 1 below in Trinidad and Walsenburg, and we actually have a ways to go with our cooling overnight tonight. Should get down to about 13 below in Colorado Springs, 15 below in Pueblo, and once you get temperatures this cold like what you're seeing off in the plains and on I-25, it just takes a light breeze for our wind chills to be pushing 20, 25 degrees below zero. These are our current wind chills, so we're at 24 degrees below zero in Colorado Springs for our feels like temperature, and with our lows getting to about 13 degrees below zero overnight tonight, it's very possible we hit 25, 30 degrees below zero on the wind chill early tomorrow morning. Just freezing cold. But this is a model run, so it's just a computer model run. There is some error here, but 11 o'clock tonight, 19 below in Colorado Springs, Burlington, Kit Carson County approaching that 30 below mark, similar off in I-70. So I do think it's very possible we hit close to that 30 degrees below zero on the wind chill tonight, even though our computer model run isn't necessarily picking it up. It is very possible. And then the eastern plains even very cold for tomorrow morning. So that's why the National Weather Service went ahead and issued all of these wind chill warnings. We were initially under advisories in El Paso County, but they went ahead and just bumped it up to a warning because it is going to get so cold tonight in Colorado Springs. Pueblo, your wind chill's not quite as bad, but still just frigid, potentially 20 below there on the wind chill. And all of these warnings expire at 11 o'clock tomorrow morning once we do finally reach back into the positives with the wind chills at least. And I thought it was kind of funny just to show the national warnings map. Every single county in Texas, which is quite a large state, as we're all aware, is under winter storm warnings over the next 24 hours. As winter storm warnings extend all the way up into Ohio, every county in Ohio under a winter storm warning as heavy snow is headed off to the Midwest and Northeast, as we're just getting a little lingering snow flurry with this low. And if you look at the Pacific Northwest upstream, there's more snow headed our way. So I'm thinking Tuesday night and Wednesday, it's possible for additional inch or two of snow in Colorado Springs. So here are your high temperatures for Monday into the teens for us. Woodland Park should hit about 27 degrees for tomorrow afternoon, then into the 30s by Tuesday. In Teller County, I think it's possible to get 2 to 3 inches of snow with this event for Tuesday night and Wednesday morning. So actually more snowfall on the way. At least we're seeing warmer temperatures into the high 30s and mid 30s for your midweek forecast in Fremont County. Pueblo, high 20s to mid 30s Tuesday and Wednesday. So yes, lake driving conditions for your Tuesday night, Wednesday morning are pretty likely, but at least temperatures are staying above freezing during the daytime hours. Jen?